Deep in the sacred forest, where ancient spirits dwell, two sisters seek their fortune. One heart beats with kindness, the other burns with envy. Today, they shall receive what they truly deserve.
Thank you, wise spirit. I accept your gift with gratitude and will share whatever blessing you bestow.
Mine should be larger. I deserve more than her. I've waited longer. I've suffered more.
Oh, beautiful jewels. Look how they shine. There's enough here to help our whole village.
What? No! Get away from me! These aren't jewels! They're snakes! Help me!
The forest sees all hearts. Kindness multiplies like jewels in sunlight. Greed strikes back like serpents in shadow.